In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram, then hit here at the bottom right on your profile icon and at the top right hit on three lines icon to bring up that options. Now here hit on saved. It opens up all saved audios and posts. Hit on all posts. There, hit on three dots and hit on select. Now there you can select some different posts, or you can hit on select all to select all the posts at once, and then hit here on unsave to unsave all that photos at once. Confirm that action and that's it. All the posts is removed from your saved posts. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.